This year I'm completing 30 years in Goa. And before that I was in Bombay working in an environmental group, a heritage group for 10 years. So over 40 years now that I've been in the field of heritage. But my conclusion is that if you want to preserve something, you have to love it. And how will you love it unless you know it? So the whole purpose of having all these programs, not just the film festival, but having walk festival, for example. Now in November we'll have 40 walks, heritage walks all over Goa, including 2 poetry walks. So we are including everything about Goan heritage, literature, art, culture, nature, everything in our festivals. And that is the best way to preserve, because we want to increase the awareness, generate a kind of sensitivity towards Goan heritage.
सो आमी जे हे आमचे ऑर्गनायजेशन आसा हेरिटेज फर्स्ट गोवा, सो तांचे मेन जो आयडिया आसा की एड्युकेशन ऑफ द हेरिटेज ऑफ गोवा. सो आमी वेगळे वेगळे एवेन्यूज चूज करता. एक आमचे वॉक्स असतात, वर्कशॉप्स असता. सो आमी ट्राय करूंक सोदता की कितें कितें वेगळें आसा जें आमी करूं शकता.
Goa itself is an inspiration. Every corner you turn, every bend, every road, you learn something new every single day. Believe me, I'm not just saying it for the sake of saying it. You really learn. I'm getting goosebumps saying this. आमी जाणटे आसूं, भुरगीं आसूं, आमकां शिकयता. See, overnight perspectives don't change, but somewhere you plant a seed and it will grow into a big tree. So we don't know where it's going. For example, some of our guests, they've just come from elsewhere. They will walk around, they will experience our history, they'll experience our culture, they'll experience nature. When they go back home, they will tell their families, they'll tell other guests who come from elsewhere that we went on a walk.
So आमचे walk festivals हर वर्सा आसताच. This year also we will be having a walk festival towards the latter end of the year.
You don't have to have the object in constant use, but if it is in your house, you have some curiosity about it. You ask some grandmother, grandfather, mother, father, auntie, uncle about that object, you will get a story. You'll get a story. Preserve the story. And if you have a room or something, a living room, a sala, a hall, somewhere, you keep it in a place of pride. Anybody who visits you will say, "Hey, what is this?" You can tell the story. That's how you spread awareness and love. Actually, our curator Saloni Sardis, I will tell you more about it, but I can tell you that one day, sometimes people send you films that they have made. And one day, one of our colleagues, Harihara, he said, "Why don't we do a film festival with nature, culture, all the stories? There are so many films, not fiction, but documentary, short ones, 5 minutes. Our film, The Birdman of Shorao, is exactly 5 minutes long. Yet somebody has put in that effort and documented this Birdman of Shorao. And I'm very proud to say that we have films that are 5 minutes, 8 minutes, 40 minutes, 50 minutes, like that. And they are all about Goan Sidais or heritage of Goa.
आमकां अशें दिसता की आमच्या गोंयांत इतले बरे फिल्ममेकर्स आसा, यंग बडींग, पूण तांचे स्वता गोंयानूच इतलें रेकग्निशन आयदर नासता जाल्यार फक्त तांचे मे बी फ्रेंड्सांक आनी तांचेच तशें खबर आसता. चड अशें फिल्म फेस्टिवल आसल्यारूय चड व्हडले फिल्म आसता, धाकटे डॉक्युमेंटरीज अशे जे इन्स्पायर्ड लोक आनी जे खूब अशे धाकटे धाकटे करता तांकांय अशे एवेन्यू मेळचो सो अशें आमकां दिसलें. आनी जेन्ना आमकां कळ्ळें की वर्ल्ड टुरिजम डेचेर आसा आमकां दिसलें की गूड टायम टू कोलॅबरेट. आणि with that we thought it would be a nice opportunity to put our organization, and use our organization to organize a festival like this. So hence we thought that using Goa and its heritage as a tool for sustainability. So the theme basically is, as I said, the theme for the World Tourism Day itself was sustainability. And what we thought was की आमची जी हेरिटेज आसा जे आमी एड्युकेशनाक आनी टू एड्युकेट द masses on heritage, we thought it would be a good first step towards sustainability. Once you know what there is around, once you have the जेन्ना आमच्या हेरिटेजाचें आमकां स्वता म्हत्व कळटलो तेन्नाच आमी ताका प्रिजर्व करूंक शकता. एंड दॅट इज द फर्स्ट स्टेप टू सस्टेनेबिलिटी. सो अशें करून आमी जे आमचे फिल्म्स चूज केल्या दॅट ऑल हॅव अ सर्टन अमावंट ऑफ एस्पेक्ट ऑफ आर हेरिटेज. सो आमी एक फिल्म आसा काजूचेर आनी फेणीचेर, एक फिल्म आसा दिवाराचेर जे बोनेरा फेस्टिवल्स आसा ताजेर, एक आसा फिल्म साश्टीचो कोडो वीच इज अबाउट द ग्रॅनरीज ऑफ सालसेत. सो अशें करून आमी वेगळे वेगळे 13 फिल्म्स आसा आमचे ओवरऑल. सो आमी कशें ते वीच वील फिट इन टू दीस कॅटेगरी ऑफ. मे बी नेक्स्ट टायम आमकां जेन्ना फिल्म करूंक जाता वील बी युजींग अदर मोर फिक्शन फिल्म्स. आतां सद्या चडशे आमचे डॉक्युमेंटरीज जाल्या. नेक्स्ट टायम इट कॅन बी फिक्शन फिल्म्स अगेन. गोंयचे कितले फिक्शन फिल्म मेकर्सूय आसा सो तांचे ते आमी शोकेस करूं शकता. शॉर्ट लिस्टिंग एक्चुली आमकां कितें जालें मेन वॉज दॅट कशें आमी आमचें मॅटर कमी करप. कित्याक इतले आमचे कडेन फिल्म मेकर्स आसा आनी इतलें आमचे कडेन कंटेंट आसा की कशें आमी हें सगळें काडून एक्चुली कशें आमी तांकां हें करप की फक्त 13 कशें दाखोवं शकता अशें जाल्लें आमकां. पूण तशें करून आमकां पूण खूब अशेंय आशिल्लें जे तांचे मे बी 1-2 आशिल्ले जे फिल्म मेकर्स ऑलरेडी पास्ड अवे or things like that. So we had certain challenges in that way, but I think overall was smooth enough. I think we tried to make it an informal event. More than informal, we're also trying to make it many events, right? So it was for people who are friends of film, म्हणजे अशे who are not film lovers, but people who can make films a part of their life. As an audience, you will be you can expect films about some short films, some long films about the heritage of Goa. And by heritage I mean certain aspects of heritage, living heritage. So there's who has now passed away actually, but a film on Vamon Navelkar and his life. You can expect films about the khazans and the mangroves and things like that. And there are also going to be conversations with the filmmakers and experts in other fields like Lourdes Bravo de Costa and Miguel Braganza will be a part of this film festival. They will be talking. They will be having a conversation just after Sashticha Kodo. Then filmmakers like Sonia Filinto, who has a film on bread, she will be having a conversation with another filmmaker called Nalini. So it's basically what you can expect is a jam-packed evening session with people who love Goa and for people who love Goa and want to know more about Goa. I think for me the main thing is the culture, the very prominent culture of multicultural aspect of our Goan heritage. Everybody becomes a part of it. I think that is the aspect of heritage, of Goan heritage, that I find extremely comforting. I think we're all very accepting. I would hope so. That's the whole idea. की आमची जी इतली रीच हेरिटेज आसा ती आमी शोकेस करची आनी लोकांक ताजो आनिकूय हे येवचो की अरे बाबा आनी कितें आसा अशें. Educate people about the heritage of Goa, whether it's a walk on the streets of Fontainhas, whether it is a walk down the road of Kampal to understand the kind of trees we have. This is the kind of things we want everybody to be a part of and want them to actually learn about the different aspects of Goa. And it's not just the beach, it's not just the nightlife, it's not just the beautiful houses. Of course that is a major part of it, but there's so much more in every step. So अशें आमकां दिसता की गोंयचें आमी आसा तितले लोकांक दाखोवचें. Don't forget this Sunday 28th September 2 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. Our film festival, Friends of Film, Heritage for Sustainability.